What's up guys, watching the Show, and if you are new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is NP-103019-4 application error. It's kinda sometimes your system software is not updated, that's why you get this, and sometimes your application is not updated. So here I'm just going to show you on my left side of the screen, and here we are. And here we go to the settings. Simple. You must before setting, you must check the your application is up to date or not. If it is not updated, you just do update it, and then go to the system. Here you just go to system software settings, check the system software is up to date or not, and check in this one also to update automatically, and go to the sometimes you don't have a storage, that's why you get this error. If you don't have a storage, you must make a space in your storage, and then you just start your application. And in the last, you just turn off your PlayStation 5 and go to the safe mode. There's a rebuild database. Simply you just rebuild the database. After rebuilding database, your system will be renewed, and you have a space, corrupted file will be deleted, and your application, it needs to update. You just simply do it update, and that's how you can fix this. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.